PNI IP5MP IP Camera has a resolution of 2560 by 1920 pixels. The 5 megapixel resolution, the 36 IR LEDs and the 3.6mm lens guarantee detailed, clear and bright images both during the day and at night. The PNI IP5MP IP Camera can be integrated into any ONVIF surveillance system, for example the PNI House IP516 NVR, but can also be used standalone without the possibility of recording. Very easy to install, configure and control. You will be able to remotely control and view images in real time or create recordings via phone, PC or browser. When the system detects motion, it will send notification text through the mobile application, send an email to a preset address or save the registration on the server via FTP.